Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Track Funnel Solution. And in this particular video, we are actually going to learn about coupons. So, how we are going to use the coupons in our order page to give the discount to our audiences, and if we are creating an offer for our audience, so how we can able to test our own product using the coupon code. So, this is the thing which we are going to do in this particular tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's share the computer screen and get into it directly. Right now, I'm working on one of my clients' project, and we are going to look into her project to see that how we can able to create a coupon code. So this is it here right now. We have a digital product added, and we are also adding an order bump. So here it is, order bump and a digital product with it. So I'm just going to the assets, and on the assets you will see an option for coupon to the left hand side top area, sorry, right hand side top area on the nav menu. And you just have to click on coupon, and you can see that right now we don't have any coupon, so we are going to create one. Simply click on create and give it a name. So make sure that the name should be relevant to your product. So I'm just going to give it a name, sorry, and you have to give it a code. Okay, and then you have to decide the discount type, that how much discount you want to give. So there are two type of discounts you can select. One is the fixed amount discount, so you have to enter the amount, and one is the percentage discount, that how much percentage discount you want to give it. So let's say this time I'm going to give it a 90% discount, because we are making it actually for the testing purpose. So we are not going to share it with anyone. We are just going to test our flow, that how the flow is working. If we have missed anything into our flow, to check the payment, thank you page, and the emails which we have in the automation setup, if everything is working properly or not. So for that reason we are creating this one. Then expiration date and limit of use, if you want to set it. If you're doing it for your clients or audience base, if you want to run any kind of campaign that for some period of time, or for any limited period of time you want to give this discount, so then obviously you have to select the expiration date and limit of use. Right now we are not going to share this discount code with anyone, so I'm not going to it is like unnecessary to set this up, but for just for the security purpose I'm doing it. So let's say that it will going to expire on a particular date, and a limit of use is I'm just giving it for 2 time of use, and then save it. That's it. Now here, if I have to edit or deactivate or delete, I can do that. I'm going to the 3 dots. If you click on edit, this is how, like, you can just click on the change the coupon name, or limit, or the expiration date. You cannot change the coupon code. Once it got generated, it is generated. You cannot change it. Also you can see that on which particular funnel it is tied to, and sales with this particular coupon, that how many people have used this particular coupon inside the coupon section. Okay, so this is what we have right now, and now we have a coupon code already generated. i'm I'm going back to the sales funnel, and inside the sales funnel, I'm going to apply this. uh, One more thing I just want to mention in here, like, if you can see digital product, and let's see that where I can. So I need to click on edit this digital product, I guess, because I think coupon, yeah, here it is. Okay, so right below the digital product you have an option to add the coupon. You cannot add the coupon into the order bump. Okay, so whatever the amount you have for the order bump, it will going to charge entirely. You can only give discount into your um, main product amount. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign to the right hand side to the coupon here, and I'll select the discount type percentage. So first you need to select the discount type. So make sure that whatever the discount type you have created your coupon on, you have to select that. So let's say that if I'm selecting the fixed amount, I won't see any coupon. It will say that it is empty, because I don't have any coupon created in the fixed amount discount option. I have created only one coupon, which is in the percentage discount option. And now you see that I'm getting that coupon name. It's done, and I'll save it. After applying the coupon, the price of this will be lower than minimum purchase amount. Okay, so I think like because our main product is very, like, it's not that much costly. I think it is of 499 euros. So I need to make some changes in the coupon. Let's do that. Okay, I'll edit it, and let's say that okay, I cannot edit the discount value right now here, but that's also a problem. I cannot edit the discount value from 90%. So I'm just going to simply deactivate it. Okay, and we'll create a new coupon, and we'll give any number like 80. And let's say that this time I'm selecting a fixed amount, or maybe percentage. If I'm giving a percentage of amount, maybe 80% or 70% could be the one. And then expiration date, can select anything, and limit of use 2, and save. So now I have created a coupon with 70% discount. Let's just oh, sorry, this is the coupon code. Okay, so 70% discount applied, and this is 150 euros plus. If they will select this one option, the order bump, then it will going to calculate with it. We are not going to select the order bump because it is all set. So this is how we can continue from here after entering all this detail, and then the payment will be done and the coupon will get applied. So this is how, if you are doing it for your own product, for your customers, or just for the testing purpose, you can simply go ahead and use this option to create the coupon for you. I hope you learn about the coupon in this particular video, and we'll be uploading more videos very soon. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.